Understanding Hoist Operation, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, hoist operation. This phrase is commonly used in industrial and mechanical contexts. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about English, this video will help you understand this term in a simple and clear way. So, let's get started. Hoist is a noun and a verb. As a noun, it refers to a device used for lifting or lowering a load. As a verb, it means to raise something, especially by using ropes or machinery. Operation refers to the action or process of operating or functioning. Combined, hoist operation refers to the process of using a hoist to lift or lower objects, usually in industrial settings. Understanding the context in which hoist operation is used is crucial. This phrase is often seen in industrial workplaces, like construction sites, warehouses, and factories. Safety manuals, where instructions on how to safely operate a hoist are given. Training sessions, for workers who need to operate hoisting equipment. Let's see how hoist operation is used in sentences. 1. The construction project requires skilled workers experienced in hoist operation. 2. During the training, we will cover the safety protocols for hoist operation. 3. The manual provides detailed instructions on the hoist operation for lifting heavy machinery. When learning this phrase, be aware of these common mistakes. Confusing hoist with host. Although they sound similar, their meanings are entirely different. Using hoist operation in an irrelevant context. Remember, it's mostly used in mechanical or industrial settings. That's all about hoist operation. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey to learn English. Remember, understanding the context of phrases is key to mastering the language. See you in our next video, and happy learning!